ये मानसी क्या किया? क्या muted? You're still on mute.
Okay. So I was saying only we two are there. So we'll wait for some time.
अच्छा, नहीं वो तो ठीक है। मतलब इस वाले में वीडियो ऑन, उस वाले में वीडियो नो वीडियो, हाँ क्या चल रहा है ये?
अभी तैयार हुई मैं वीडियो के लिए।
लाइक मैंने मेरी होस्टिंग अच्छी जानी चाहिए और देखी जाएगी।
तो वो मर्केंडाइज के लिए एक आइडिया आया मुझे कि कुछ ऐसा जो रिलेट ना करता हो बहुत ज्यादा, तो उससे अच्छा है कि मैंने अमेजोन में चेक किया तो वो माइक्स होते हैं फॉर स्पीकिंग, और ₹150 का होता है शायद, लेकिन वो चाइनीज प्रोडक्ट हो सकता है, या तो फिर एक फोन स्टैंड भी था 100 एंड कुछ रुपीस का। तो बस मेरा ये था कि कुछ ऐसा रिलेटेड हो तो ज्यादा सेंसिबल लगेगा, बट हाँ उसमें मर्केंडाइज, उसमें ब्रांडिंग कैसे करेंगे वो थोड़ा सा कंसर्न है।
लगा रही हैं?
वही स्टिकर लगा के कुछ ऐसे, और दिल्ली में तो यू कैन गेट इट इन वेरी लोअर कॉस्ट इफ यू गो एंड फाइंड एंड।
अरे वो तो ठीक है, वो इशू नहीं है, बट फिर हमारा फिर वो वाला चीज आ जाता है ना कि हम इसको शिपिंग के अंदर कैसे करेंगे। एक तो क्या तो हम बनवा के रख लें, क्या तो फिर ये सेंस बनता है हमारा। मतलब टिपिकली अगर शिपिंग की बात करो, शिपिंग इज व्हाट $100 और तो पैन इंडिया। तो
क्योंकि अगर आप अमेजोन से डायरेक्ट भेज दो या मतलब एक साथ गिफ्ट पैक करवा के भी भेजो तो भी वो 150 में इट विल गो डिलीवर टुडे। लेकिन बस उसमें वेंडर्स जो होते हैं उनके डिटेल्स होते हैं, अगर उनसे बात कर ली जाए कि भाई हमारा मतलब जो भी आए पैक उसमें ऐसा चेंज करके कुछ ऐसा किया जा सकता है।
दैट्स अ वेरी गुड आइडिया।
हाँ
इनफैक्ट हम लोग ये भी कर सकते हैं कि उसके वेंडर को सर्च करके, और
वेंडर रहते हैं ना, वो सर्च हो सकता है ना।
अपना जो स्टिकर पेस्ट कराना है ना,
हाँ
उससे ही करा लेते हैं।
हाँ उससे करा के उसको बोल देंगे कि जो हम ऑर्डर करेंगे वी कैन ऑर्डर यू डायरेक्टली ऐसा करके, या कुछ भी अमेजोन पे करके, एंड देन वी कैन।
I think that's a fairly smart idea.
Someone asked in the group ki when we
I think someone asked. तो आई थिंक वो अच्छा आइडिया है, वी कैन डू दैट ऑन द मर्चेंडाइजिंग।
तो उसमें मैंने प्रोडक्ट्स ढूंढे हैं, कुणाल ऐसा।
हे कुणाल, व्हाट्स अप? अभी कुणाल सेट वेट करेगा अपना कैमरा है।
I'm good, sir. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing really good here.
Hi, Kunal.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
अरे कुणाल, तेरा एसएसबी का डेट्स कब आया है?
डेट्स सर एक्चुअली सर मैं अभी ग्रेजुएशन परस्यू कर रहा हूँ और मैंने एसएसबी दी हुई है और मैं वहाँ से कॉन्फ्रेंस आउट था और अभी सर अभी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है ग्रूम करने के लिए।
अच्छा, अभी तो ग्रूम कर रहे हो ना? ओह दैट्स नाइस।
तो बिल्कुल सर, अभी मैंने एक सीडीएस का टेस्ट नहीं दिया, अभी एलिजिबल ही नहीं हूँ मैं सर।
और निशान का क्या सीन है? निशान का भी सेम है क्या?
निशान सर उसका 4th ईयर आई थिंक सर, बीटेक कर रहा है वो और 4th ईयर है, वो तो एलिजिबल है सर सीडीएस के लिए।
मतलब मैं वैसे पूछ रहा हूँ क्योंकि अभी एसएसबी की डेट्स आ रही थी ना अभी, तो बहुत सारे लोगों की मतलब एसएसबी निकल के आ रखी है अभी।
हाँ जी सर, वो एलिजिबल है सर वो सीडीएस के लिए, बाकी उनकी एसएसबी तो ऐसी तो कुछ बात नहीं हुई थी उनके साथ।
चलो ठीक है। देखते हैं। हाँ जी, मानुषी क्या कह रहे थे आप मर्चेंडाइजिंग के लिए? तो आप कह रहे थे
हाँ
कि
तो
अगर हम सप्लायर से बात कर ले और तो सीधा सीधा कनेक्ट कर दें, that would
हाँ,
be-
अगर उससे कनेक्ट करके मतलब अगर वो डिलीवरी वगैरह अमेजोन से ही कराता है, मतलब उसको कुछ ऐसा है तो हम ऑर्डर अमेजोन से ही दे देंगे, ऐसा कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। बट उससे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं कि भाई हमारा ऑर्डर आएगा, देन यू हैव टू पे समथिंग, या उसके बाद कुरियर करना है ऐसा करके।
ठीक है, that's an interesting idea.
ऐसे वेंडर्स मुझे लगता है दिल्ली में यू कैन गेट, लाइक अगर आप जाके थोड़ा देखेंगे, मतलब अभी तो
Local
नहीं, बट
vendors.
हाँ लोकल वेंडर्स, एंड इट विल बी लाइक अमेजोन पे हमेशा हायर ही कॉस्ट होता है उसमें चीजें, यू कैन गेट इन अ वेरी वेरी चीप रेट इन दिल्ली, आई थिंक सो।
चलिए सही है, कुणाल से पूछते हैं। कुणाल यार, हम लोग अभी कुछ आइडिया सोच रहे हैं मर्चेंडाइज के लिए ऑफ 10,000 फीचर्स। क्या लगता है, क्या क्या चीजें, क्या हो सकता है, या फिर क्या चीजें?
Sorry, sir, you are not properly audible, sir.
Can you hear me now?
According to me, I am having some network issues, sir. I think.
Oh, okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, amazing. So, what?
No, sir. You are not now.
Sorry,
You are not audible now, sir.
you're not
You are
audible.
audible, like Kunal, you can hear me?
Yes, ma'am. You are audible to me, but voice of sir is continuously cutting down.
Okay, I don't know what is the matter. Probably. Am I still not audible?
Bit louder, sir.
So I'll say, Kunal, he's asking about the ideas for merchandising for public, for our speakers and all. You know, merchandising like T-shirt or something. Any ideas do you have?
Social media is the best platform according to me.
Merchandising means like T-shirts when we provide to people. वो same brand का नहीं दिखता है कि हाँ वैसा वैसा।
Okay, मैं same
जैसे
capacity, ma'am.
mugs
Sorry.
होता है, हाँ।
ऑल प्रेप अप।
ठीक है।
हाँ, ये कैसा डिजाइन विजाइन बिल्कुल फर्स्ट क्लास है, कट वट लगा के। इट्स लाइक मोर ऑफ अ आर्मी डिजाइन और समथिंग विद मुस्टैच।
So I am not having any knowledge about this, so I will not be able to give you that.
चलो ठीक है, कोई इशू नहीं। सही, so we'll be starting at 7. Today we are talking about what education system, right?
Yeah, new education
Any
system.
I think that's amazing. Kunal, you have to work something out on your network. I think बहुत आगे पीछे हो रहा है। बीच में बहुत अटकेगा मुझे लगता है।
Sir, am I audible, sir? Am I audible to
Yeah,
you?
you're audible,
Yes,
but it's like
you're audible.
not very clearly, so it kind of breaks in the middle.
Village problem, sir. Village में इससे ज़्यादा network नहीं आते, sir.
Where are you from? कहाँ से हो?
I am from Punjab, sir.
पंजाब में?
Gurdaspur. According to me, sir, you have listened about Gurdaspur.
Yes.
That
I
is
have heard about Gurdaspur.
that is neighboring district of Pathankot, Amritsar. Amritsar, that you have listened about, sir.
No, I think I know somebody from Gurdaspur only. I had worked with somebody. I don't remember his name. But I think I've worked with somebody from Gurdaspur. I think Deepak, probably. I don't know. So there was somebody who was working for me remotely. So he was from Gurdaspur. So yeah. So what did you do all week?
Sir, I want to ask something, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, are you having anything special on Sunday? That any kind of session?
This Sunday?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we'll be having our regular speech sessions coming Sunday.
Sir, on Sunday I will be busy, sir. As I am NCC cadet, I am going to attend national camp. That I am selected for the national camp, Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat NCC camp, and I am going to attend this camp. So I will not be regular at all the sessions of 10K speakers, sir.
So
That I want to.
Oh, okay, that's fair. But when are you coming back then?
Sir, this is a online camp, and I have to also prepare the. I have participated in debates. I have also participated in quiz, and I have to also prepare for all these stuff that is noted in the camp. And according to me, sir, this would take some preparation time, and that is why I am saying that sometime, not I am saying that regularly. Sometime I will not be able to participate. This camp longs for 6 days, and only for 6 days this would be the problem, sir. That
Oh,
I would
six
not be
days.
able
Okay,
to.
that's not. I think 6 months probably.
No, no, 10, 10th of August to 15th of August.
Oh, okay.
Yes. ये तभी सर ये आर्मी वाली लुक आई हुई ना.
हाँ, मैं वही सोच रहा था. मैंने कहा ये कौन सा कलर आ गया ये.
ये शेव शूव करवा के सारी माउस्टेशेस, ये आर्मी वाली लुक तभी आई हुई है.
First, I think in fact we were kind of discussing this out. So अभी हम लोग एक we are also trying to create a special workshop for defense aspirants around public speaking and comm skills. So we are in talks with other people. So we have found a girl called Indu. She has been 4 times recommended, and she has been AIR too. And we also have somebody who is serving in CRPS from past
Sir,
5 years.
I want to ask something, sir.
Yeah, go on.
Sir, that ma'am that you are talking about, Hindu ma'am, that is already a member of 10K speakers, or just you have contacted to her?
No, she's not currently a member of the Indian Speakers, but we are kind of
Sir,
interacting with her.
actually I am connecting to her. I am connecting to her on Instagram, and मैंने उनको मैसेज किया था अपनी क्वेरी अपने पूछने के लिए कुछ एसएसबी के रिलेटेड स्टफ के. तो एक्चुअली उन्होंने 1 या 2 बार मैंने मैसेज किया, और बाद में प्लीज करके मैंने उनको मैसेज किया रिप्लाई कर दो मेरे क्वेश्चन का. तो तब उन्होंने जाकर रिप्लाई किया. And I just want to say that she's having some, according to me, that I have felt that she's having some upper hand, that she's a fourth-time recommended candidate. And
थोड़ा सा बैक स्टोरी है मेरे पास. I can share it with you. So actually, she works with a marketing firm as a senior marketing person. That is one. And she has been recommended 4 times. She has been an AIR too. But she was not able to join defense forces because of some problem with her eyes, and she kind of fails to kind of
actually, sir,
qualify
as
as
you are
one
saying
of the.
that you are going to, that you want to organize a professional workshop for defense aspirants, sir. So I want to say that you also include public speaking along with the group discussion, because group discussion is most important part of SSB. Group discussion is
Yeah.
on first day of SSB, fourth day of SSB, and according to me, sir, it is the crucial part of SSB, sir. Group
Yeah, so
discussion can be.
we are kind of, so in fact I had a detailed discussion about this today, and we were discussing about 3 major things. One is lecture rate, second is group discussion, and third is
Yes,
something around interview and things like that. So
interviews, sir.
interviews also, because
Sir,
interviews also is public.
interview, yes, as according to me, as I am a defense aspirant, so we are not totally relied on the, as you are talking about a 4-time recommended candidate. सर उनके पास इतनी नॉलेज नहीं होती कि बंदे को असेस कर सके. ये मेरा पर्सनल सर ओपिनियन है.
We are also getting GTOs, na?
वो
We are also having people who are previous GTOs and previous psychology people.
फिर सही है सर.
So we're kind of creating a whole kind of thing which is
बिल्कुल सर.
impactful. That could be interesting.
बिल्कुल सर.
So yeah, देखते हैं अभी क्या कैसे होता है. Okay, so what's up with today is Ayush, Manashi?
We have sent a message, but nobody replied on that.
Today is a
Ayush
busy day, yeah?
Ayush has sent a message.
I've sent the reminder as well.
Okay.
Right, we are waiting ऐसा करके कुछ.
Right.
नहीं यार, we
So
don't wait. But this is a scenario that has happened. I think this thing has happened for the first time. What is so we divided people into two groups, I think, right?
Yeah, थोड़ा सा confusion था वो उसमें कि क्या ज्वाइन करना है, किसको ज्वाइन करना है. तो
स्पोर्टिंग टीम में
was-
स्पोर्टिंग और कोर टीम में डिवाइडेड किया गया था ना, तो वहाँ पे अकॉर्डिंग टू मी सर डायरेक्टली दिया हुआ था कि स्पोर्टिंग टीम के लिए ये टाइमिंग है, तो ये लिंक है प्रॉपर, तो इस पे क्लिक करो तो स्पोर्टिंग टीम वहाँ पे जिसका सेशन होगा वो ज्वाइन करेगी. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू मी
right.
अदर गाइस विल बी बिजी. आई थिंक
ये तो मिसकम्युनिकेशन हो गया फिर तो. मतलब कम्युनिकेशन तो ठीक था पर मिस हो
बिल्कुल
गया.
बिल्कुल सर. नहीं सर, अगर मैंने ज्वाइन किया तो बाकी भी तो समझ जाएंगे.
नहीं मतलब मिसकम्युनिकेशन वो होता है ना, जब आपका 70-80% लोग नहीं समझ रहे हैं, फिर वो मिसकम्युनिकेशन में काउंट हो जाता है.
नहीं सर, उन्होंने स्लॉट तो फिल किए हुए हैं, स्लॉट बुकिंग फॉर्म.
slot 7 लोगों ने फिल किया हुआ है ऑलरेडी, बट
हाँ.
7 लोग हैं शायद.
ओके ठीक है. तो आई थिंक अभी तो वैसे भी 7-5 हो गए हैं. आयुष एक वो वाला मैसेज डाल दो यार कि लेट कमर्स आर नॉट अप्रिशिएटेड एंड एवरीथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट,
ठीक
एंड
है.
द मीटिंग इज लॉग्ड दिस टाइम. बाकी इस पे लेट्स वर्क इट आउट यार. वी नीड टू काइंड ऑफ मेक दीस थिंग्स अक्रॉस. So we'll be starting the session across. We'll be having a regular speech session, but before that, I thought to share something to cross जो अभी हो रहा है हमारे पास. So we're coming up with a couple of things which are happening. One is we are organizing the debate competition August edition. So we have every month we have an edition of debate competition, and this time we are kind of keeping it. Keeping it at a place where there are prizes worth rupees 45,000 to be won by the participants who will be joining it. And apart from this, there are cash prizes and there are community vouchers which you get as prizes out there. So that's something which is out there. Plus we'll be sharing it across like with you guys, and you will participate in that as well. And we're keeping a entry fee or something of that sort of $100 just to cover the charges and give out the prizes and a lot of things like that. Plus
Sir, I want to say something, sir.
Yeah,
Just something, sir. Sir, as there was a previous debate that was conducted, and there was no counter questions, as we know that they are the counter question in the debate. Sir, my suggestion is that in final round there should be also counter question on the topic by the other participants.
Okay.
That would, according to me, that would be the more productive debate, sir.
So I think that is one of the aspects. We were kind of discussing it, and overall maybe takes it. So we figured out that debate is something there has to be two countering views and things like that. We can experiment it in our community, but I think abhi ke liye we'll be keeping it as a speech competition. A speech competition.
So that factor was included in our Armed Forces Preparatory Academy that I have studied from. मतलब सर फाइनल लेवल को थोड़ा डिफिकल्टी लेवल बढ़ाने के लिए ऐसा कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल 1 मिनट का टाइम दिया जाएगा बाकी पार्टिसिपेंट्स को, जैसे हमारे होता था पहले 4 मिनट की स्पीच और 1 मिनट का टाइम दिया जाएगा अगर किसी ने काउंटर क्वेश्चन करना है. तो 1 मिनट के बाद कोई काउंटर क्वेश्चन नहीं होगा और आंसर भी उस बंदे को अगर उसने सेटिस्फैक्टरी आंसर दिए हैं तो वेल एंड गुड है. तो ऐसा सोच रहा था मैं.
We can experiment with that. That's a very good idea. ठीक है, चलो ठीक है. I think this is something which is there. Plus we are working on a workshop for defense aspirants, so there's something which is coming out. We are also working on the corporate lines, so we are doing some workshops for corporate managers. So there we can expect a lot of new people coming in by end of August or so. So the idea is if you understand how our community is structured, is that it's more of a ladder where people grow. So if you know that all the people who are the senior members, uh, they were initially some speakers who want to start and make an impact, and now today they are leading with example and doing a lot of interesting things. So I think this is the same path for everyone. Is more the more time you put, the more improvement will be having in your personality, and that way you can grow. Apart from this, I think we have a lot of opportunities in terms of speaking. Since we are a speaking ecosystem, you can propose some interesting ideas which can happen under 10,000 Speakers brand, or probably uh, you can be a part of initial team of projects which are under 10,000 Speakers, mainly like interview series. We are testing something out with Manushi. So Manushi is leading this thing around interviewing people. So there could be interview series, um, which could be in our community. Apart from this, we are also intending to launch a speaking event like TED, where people can come and share their thoughts and things like that. So something of that sort. So those things are also in pipeline, and we'll be working on them in the next 3 months or so. So what I'm trying to say is, get be involved as much as you can. One, by improving yourself, and second, by also involving into things that we are doing, because this is a community-led organization. Okay, so there's all the top people are the people who started from the first. This is the journey that we are trying to do. And निशान बहुत लाल हो रखे हो यार, क्या चक्कर है? Your background red है.
Good evening.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. How are you?
You're fine.
Okay, that's
Is it red or kesari? Today is the kesari day.
आज
केसरी लग रहा है
आज हमारी दीवारें भी केसरी. एक मूवी है ना उसका.
आज न्यूज चैनल में सुबह से सिर्फ ऑरेंज कलर ही दिख रहा है,
अच्छा,
केसरी नहीं दिख
अयोध्या
रहा
and
है.
everything. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
news channel सुबह से I see only the orange color is there. Crazy.
Right.
ठीक है, so I think ये सारी चीजें हैं. So these are a couple of things, and as you guys are initial members or young members, I think start working on yourself. That is one of the core.
Sir,
more and more time.
listen to me, sir. Sir,
Yeah, go on.
Ravi, sir, Ravi.
Yeah, Ravi, go on.
Sir, one suggestion from my end. One day you give me topic from my choices.
Okay.
All are मतलब prepare topics, their choices. So we can improve, and we can improve our skills on single topic, sir. We have more interest.
Single topic, as in like you want to give, आपको ऐसे करना है कि maybe जैसे आज का सेशन है, you can prepare on one topic whichever you wish, और आप उस पे बोलो, ऐसा कुछ.
हाँ sir.
No, sir, I want to
Please.
So you can
clarify
give the
that.
suggestion on the group. जो भी आपको टॉपिक पे बोलना है, you can give the suggestion on group, और सब लोग फिर उसी पे तैयार करेंगे. So you will have different views also.
I want to add something, sir.
Yeah.
I want to add on something. That's according to me, he want to say that the topic should be given on that time. For example, before 3 minutes, 3 minutes should be provided to each person to prepare for the topic, and it would be spontaneity in the person. And spontaneity is the most important factor, sir.
I doubt that. That's a very good suggestion, but I doubt that.
Sir, it is like extempore. Extempore. Sir, it is like extempore. Yes, sir. On the spot, you have to give topic and you have to.
Yeah, I think
Yes,
that's
sir.
a very good. रवि, extempore ही बोल रहे थे क्या? या फिर वो give your own topic?
जैसे एक टॉपिक जैसे ऐसा होना चाहिए, जैसे हमारे जैसे ह्यूमन रिलेशन से रिलेटेड होना चाहिए. जैसे ऑनेस्टी पे हो गया या कोई और चीज पे हो गया. जरूरी नहीं है कि हम टेक्निकली जाए या किसी देश के बारे में बात करें, कभी अपने बारे में भी बात करना जरूरी है. तो वो मैं
Yes,
कहना
sir.
चाह रहा था.
Got
जैसे
it. I think got it. I think यहाँ पे ना मतलब ओवरऑल में जो आपकी वैसे भी सजेशंस होते हैं ना, हम लोग टिपिकली टॉपिक लेते हैं कि मंडे ट्यूसडे को आप अपने टॉपिक शेयर कर सकते हो ग्रुप में, या यार आई थिंक ये वाले टॉपिक्स हैं, व्हाट डू यू थिंक, तो हम लोग उसको क्या तो वेडनेसडे को या फिर संडे को डिस्कस करते हैं.
ओके सर.
चलो, I think that's awesome. Let's start across with today's session. I think today Manushi is hosting the session across. So
Yeah.
I'll pass on the spotlight and the control of the meetup to Manushi. Manushi, over to you. All the way.
Hello all. So hope your Wednesday
Hello.
is going very well, and you are doing like most of you are working and students also, right? So you are spending your day very well in the lockdown. Hope you have good health and your family members and your loved ones are well. So I can make it out because you are here, so everything is going well in your life. So so we'll start today's session with a small poem. I want to say I wrote this poem when I was in 12th class. I have already talked about. Everybody can mute their mic. That would be great. Yeah, thank you. So I'll start this session with a poem that I wrote in class 12th that presents a bit of how the education system is affecting the students and how the education system needed to be improved a lot. So the poem goes like this. मेरा उपहार. मेरे किस्मत का ये बदलाव, जल गया मेरी उम्मीदों का अलाव. क्या इतनी अहमियत रखती है पोथियों की सनक कि खत्म सी हो रही है जीवन के लिए ललक. मेरी सारी मेहनत सीमित कर दी अंकों में, पर क्या मेरा ज्ञान दिखता है प्रमाण पत्रों में. कैसे दिलाऊं अपने ज्ञान पर विश्वास जब प्रमाण ही उड़ा रहे हैं मेरा उपहार. So this poem tells about the situation of a person, of a student who worked very hard, but due to some issues, he is not scoring well. So he knows the topic, he is knowing the topic, but he is not able to present it, or he is not able to score that. So this poem presents current situation of the education system that we have in the country. So I started this point because today's topic is pros and cons of education, new education system. So I really want to listen from you what you think about the new policy, because I'm really positive on it, and I want to hear what how you are thinking about it. So rule of the today is the same, that you have to so you will be speaking about you'll be speaking for 3 minutes, and then you'll be automatic muted, and then we'll be passing on the mic to the other speaker. Okay, so let's move on, and I can start with the name, and if you are not ready, you can just give me a sign and we can pass on to the other, and you can just participate at the end of the session. Okay, so I can see the first name on my screen as Ravi. So Ravi, can you just unmute yourself and share your views on new education system?
Hello, ma'am. Are you listening my voice?
Yes, you are. Go on.
Today's topic is pros and cons of new education system. I think education system is most important for development of every country and youth and nation of the country. But जो नया एजुकेशन सिस्टम आया है, क्या वो स्टूडेंट की रियल में डेवलपमेंट कर पाएगा या कंट्री की डेवलपमेंट कर पाएगा, और क्या जो रट्टाफिकेशन चलती है स्टूडेंट के बीच में सब्जेक्ट को लेके उसको कम कर पाएगा. आई थिंक लेट्स टॉक अबाउट प्रोज एंड कॉन्स ऑफ एजुकेशन सिस्टम. नए एजुकेशन सिस्टम में एक सबसे अच्छी चीज आई है लैंग्वेज बैरियर. मतलब लैंग्वेज पहले क्या है, बच्चों को पढ़ने के लिए लैंग्वेज दी जाती थी, जैसे हिंदी में पढ़ना है, इंग्लिश में पढ़ना है. अभी क्या वो बैरियर हटा दिया. अब जो 1st से 5th क्लास तक जो भी चाइल्ड है वो अपनी लैंग्वेज में पढ़ सकता है. जैसे हिंदी में पढ़ना चाहे हिंदी में पढ़ सकता है, उड़िया में पढ़ना चाहे तो वो उड़िया में पढ़ सकता है, तो कोई लैंग्वेज बैरियर नहीं है। और एक मल्टीपल डिसिप्लिनरी एजुकेशन सिस्टम था, इसमें एक बाउंड्री सेट की गई थी कि जो स्टूडेंट साइंस का है वो आर्ट्स के सब्जेक्ट नहीं ले सकता, या जो साइंस का है वो कॉमर्स के सब्जेक्ट नहीं ले सकता। बट ये बाउंडेशन को कम कर दिया। अभी क्या है, जिस बच्चे का फिजिक्स में इंटरेस्ट है तो वो फिजिक्स के साथ पॉलिटिकल साइंस भी ले सकता है। तो आई थिंक दैट विल इम्प्रूव education system for capability of a student. So something I add in this is education system. Our country is very wide, so its strong education system will be required for this system development. I think this will take 40 years around something. Third point is education system is student culture development. Something student interested in some vocabulary art, some speaking skills, some designing skills, and some vocal skills. Some are interested in music, but at the development of first phase of the child, no option will be available in education system. But after 5th class, government will declare in this education system, every student will take chance to their interest in every subject. Fourth point is education system, something improvement in Lok Vidya. I think Lok Vidya, some fashionable student interested in culture of our country, जैसे खादी हो गया, फॉर एग्जांपल खादी के अलावा जो हमारा लघु उद्योग है, कुटीर उद्योग है, उसमें इंटरेस्टेड होते हैं, तो उनके लिए एक अलग से एजुकेशन सिस्टम बनाया गया है। तो इसका ये है कि इसका कौन ये है कि हमारे एजुकेशन सिस्टम में इम्प्रूवमेंट है कि हमारी पॉपुलेशन ज़्यादा है, तो हम क्या इसको अच्छे से एग्जीक्यूट कर पाएंगे? अगर हम इसको अच्छे से अगर एग्जीक्यूट कर लेते हैं तो ये हमारा एजुकेशन सिस्टम फ्यूचर के लिए स्ट्रॉन्ग रहेगा। क्या जो टीचर है जो कॉलेजों में स्कूल्स में पढ़ा रहे हैं, क्या उसको वो डेवलप कर पाएंगे, या फिर ये कागज में ही रह जाएगा? तो वो देखा जाएगा मैम। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Ravi. That was a great speech, and I'll invite Abhishek sir to give some words for you.
Thank you, Manasi, for that. And before I give my feedback, I think I would love to hear feedback from Ayush. So, Ayush, what do you think is really good in his speech, and what do you think we should work on?
Okay, so I think Ravi, you started very well. Like you asked us question that what will happen and what will not happen. Then you started, let's discuss the pros and cons, and you gave us 2 points. First was barrier, and then you discussed one another point. But after that, I think you deviated somehow, and you were not able to explain clearly. But the content was very good. Content-wise, it was seen that you have prepared, that earlier students were not able to do that. Now they were able to do. There will be a uniform system. India is a diverse country. But the topic was pros and cons. So somehow you have to compare. Overall, I would say it was a good speech. You started very well. But when it comes to pros and cons, so you have to say both of them. So this is what I think.
I think I am not share pros and cons different way, but I will share. I shared pros and cons in same line. So someone not able to understand.
Mix ho gaya thoda. I think to start with, thank you Ayush for the feedback. And to start with, I think first of all, very, I'll say, rich kind of content. Yeah, like लघु उद्योग से लेकर बहुत सारी चीजें interesting थी. So this is there, and you have a good face expression. You always know it. You know how to tell stories, and that's a very good part. जैसे अभी शुरू में आपने बताया कि ऐसा ऐसा होता है, तो आज हम किसके बारे में बात करें, पर वो क्वेश्चन के साथ बीट किया और हमारा इंटरेस्ट बीट किया. So that's a very good thing. Other teachers should also do this. And that's the good part of it. I think improvement में आपने सीधा पहला पॉइंट, दूसरा पॉइंट, जब तक टाइम था या जिसमें दिमाग में आ रहा है आपने सीधा तीसरा चौथा ऐसे हमें बताते गए, तो वो मतलब ऐसा लग रहा था कि चल रहा है मतलब टाइम। आई थिंक थोड़ा सा इससे पहले अगर आप ऐसे डिफाइन करना है, दो मैं आपको प्रोज बताता हूँ और दो मैं आपको कॉन्स बताता हूँ। एंड मैं बात कर रहा हूँ पहले प्रोज किया, फिर आपने प्रोज के बारे में बात किया, फिर आपने कॉन्स के बारे में बात किया, तो हमारे को थोड़ा सा क्लियर रहता है कि किस चीज है, क्या आने वाला है। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस आई थिंक ये ही है, बाकी इसमें एक बार रिवाइज भी कराओगे, अगर आपने जो बताया हमें आप फिर से बताओगे लास्ट में तो वो ज़्यादा हमें याद रहेगा। एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस एक लास्ट चीज़ ये है कि कहीं ना कहीं हमें ना अपनी स्पीचेस को वैल्यूएबल बनाना है टू द ऑडियंस। तो क्या ऐसी चीज़ आप हमें बताओगे जिससे हमें ना हमारा पर्सपेक्टिव शायद चेंज हो? अगर आप इस चीज़ पे फोकस करोगे तो आई थिंक और भी इंटरेस्टिंग है। So I think that's the feedback from my side. I'm looking forward for more. Okay.
Thank you.
Sure. And time to join sir अब यार.
Okay sir. Next time I will take care.
हाँ 7 PM हम लोग है ना वो रूम लॉक करने वाले थे, हम फिर आ ही गए तुम लोग, फिर हमने कहा चलो ठीक है लेते हैं। और निशान also and Ayush also. Okay. Over to the host. Thank you.
Okay, thank you Abhishek sir, thank you Ayush for the feedback, and I have shared the link for the attendance and the feedback for the people. If you can just go and give the feedback, that would be really great. So Ayush, we will be ready with the speech next. You will be going next. Is it okay for you?
We have two Ayush.
Ayush Gupta.
No, actually, I haven't prepared anything.
Okay. So
Because
Kunal,
we were.
No problem. Yeah. So I understand. That is why I asked you. Kunal, will you be okay going? Okay. So I'll take 2 minutes. Till then, you can get ready with your speech. In 2 minutes, I'll just I want to share some of the points for the new education policy. I'll just list down the points here. That would be really great for you, for the knowledge also, and we can just share some good information over here. So some of the points like for new education policy is 10+2 board structure is now dropped. Now new school structure will be 5+3+3+4. Okay. The second point is up to 5 preschools, 6 to 8 mid school, 8 to 11 high school, 12 onwards it will be graduation. Okay. Any degree will be of 4 years. So I'll come back with some more points after the next speaker. So Kunal, are you ready? Here you go, Kunal. Unmute
Yes,
yourself.
yes.
Unmute yourself. And 3, 2, 1, go.
Good evening to ladies and gentlemen. I am Kunal Pati and I am going to speak on the topic pros and cons of new education policy. Firstly, briefly, the stuff that would be included in my topic would be the introduction, then there will be pros of the new education policy and also the cons, and then the and gentlemen, I will be a bit fast in my topic because I have to cover each and every of the policy. Start the new education that is introduced in the 2020, and it has been introduced 4 years. That last education policy was introduced, and as we know that there are the 10+2 education system. The previous education policy that has been changed to 5+3+3+4 education system. Then you are thinking that 10+2 they are total 5+3+3+4 that are total 15 years. That education has increased to 15 years. No, ladies and gentlemen, the education from nursery to UKG that was not included in the previous education system. Now in this education system, that that classes will also be included. And also there is given that after the class 6, you will students will be able to have vocational courses, example gardening and mechanics, and you can say the plumbing. And according to me, as we know that India, these kind of jobs are considered as the low grade jobs. And according to me, this system, the thing that have been introduced in the new education policy, equate all the jobs that plumbing will be also equal to the engineering or doctor. And also the most important thing in the new education system is that a student will not be able a student will not be you can say that checked on only on the basis of uh, exams that have been taken by him, but also on the basis of the teacher evaluation and also the evaluation of other students and also the evaluation of himself. According to me, if we are doing the evaluation of ourselves, then according to me, we will be able to introspect in ourselves and able to find our weaknesses and also to improve upon ourselves. And also after 10 plus 2 system, graduation system, that there was no degree that was provided to the student, and if he drops out after 1 year of degree, but now certificate would be provided to the student if he drops out after 1 year of degree, and if he drops out after 2 years of degree, then he would be given the diploma, and after 3 years he would be given the bachelor's degree, and he also have graduation for 4 years, then graduation degree would be provided to bachelor's degree would be provided to him, and also the researcher's degree would be also provided to him. And these are the major facts, or you can say that the pros that was included in the new education policy. Talking about the phones, and as there is given that up to class 6, uh, there would be preference to the mother tongue and mother tongue in the education system. And according to me, that is not right, because for example, that person that is doing a job and he have to shift from one state to another, and according to me, he can face a problem that to you can say that have the conversation with another children. That is the major problem. And also we know that education is included in the concurrent list, and this policy that has been adopted by center is was based on the center decision. No consent was taken by the state government, and that was also one of the biggest cons of education policy. And also some of the thinkers are thinking that the norms and regulation that are given in the new education policies are only theoretical. There will be so much difficulty that government of India would be able to face in properly implementing this new education policy. So in last, I would say that this new education policy has been prepared by the government of India by looking into the developed countries, for example, German, European nations, and United States. So if this be implemented in India, then according to me, India would flourish. India would flourish in every way, and also as India is a developed country, and according to me, there will be no one that can stop India to become a developed nation from developing nation. Thank you.
Thank you, Kunal. That was an awesome speech. Lot of facts and figures. It was really great. So I'll ask Abhishek sir for his views on your speech.
Thank you, Manasi, for that. And but before that, I think I would love to hear Manasi's thoughts on the pros and what are the good things or other things that you can work on.
So good thing he had lots and lots of things to speak out. So he always already gave a disclaimer that he'll be very fast and he'll be speaking out everything. That was a great thing that you understood your the difficulty of your of your audience, and you gave a disclaimer. So you created a kind of connect. Yes, I will take that much. I'll be fast. So I like that, and you gave lots and lots of views, and that was really great. And the cons is in the later part. So there was not much of connect. You were just telling your stories, you telling your content, and you were not able to connect with the people after, in the middle. So before you started, it was good, but it was like not able to create the connect. Over to Abhishek sir.
Okay, thank you, Manasi, for that. I think this is very rightly pointed out. So you're a very good speaker in terms of voice variety and strength that comes in your speech, and that's very nice. Also in the part of content, I think there were a lot of content, and you were able to define its pros and cons and things like that. But according to me, what you need to work on is the connect bit. Okay, you have done some pieces of connect. I've seen that in previous speeches where the speech is not about what I understand, what I believe. It's more about what the person understands, what is his problem. So just to give you a practical example of the same thing, instead of telling that, okay, this is something which is there and then to that you need to cover and all that.
Sir, I want to request something, sir.
Yeah, go on.
Sir, please bit louder, sir. I am not able to hear you.
You're not able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes,
Is it
a bit
better?
louder, sir. Bit louder, sir.
Or be louder?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So I think, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's amazing. अपने फोन की आवाज तेज करो यार. तुम और लोगों के फोन की वो करो.
Full है, sir. Full है, sir.
Earphone तेज करो फिर.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So what I'm saying is, the good part is you have vocal variety, and that's a very good thing. You have a pace and everything, so that makes a really good aspect. And in fact, you have a lot of content also to be shared. That's nice. Okay, but there are two major levels of speaking. Okay, two different levels of speaking. First level is speaking for your own self. Okay, that is majorly around confidence. um, that is majorly around having the core confidence that if I speak, people would be able to hear me. They would be, if they laugh, still I have confidence and things like that. Okay, that is the first level. So in our speeches, the focus is ourselves, what I believe, what I think, and that's very good. But in the initial part, on the first level, and then is the second level. Okay, na? Second level is making your speech for your audience. Okay, making your speech for your audience, which is what people would love to understand and listen. Now, what I mean by people perspective, uh, take up an example like you're talking about 10th and 12th. So instead of telling us that there will be no boards or physics class and everything, you can mold your content in such a way like you can ask us that, hey, have you guys given 10th class and 12th also, right? Uh, there were most fearful years that have happened, right? Now, what if I tell you that these people won't be facing the board exam, but will be having this semester? So how would you feel? Now, this way you're connecting with your audience as well as you're connecting. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, I am hearing you.
Oh, okay. मैं कहा ऐसे नहीं कि लास्ट में सर आवाज नहीं आई.
नहीं सर मैं पहले नहीं आ रही तो मैंने बता दिया सर.
हाँ, तो मैं वही बता रहा हूँ जब अभी तुमको है ना मतलब मोटा मोटा अभी तुम लेवल 1 से लेवल 2 में ट्रांजिशन हो रहे हो जहाँ पर आपको अपनी स्पीचेस you have to make your speeches about not what you understand or what you believe, but what audience understand and what they want to talk about. Okay, so make your speeches more audience centric now.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Next time, sir, that
All
factor
the way.
will also be included in my speech, sir.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to that.
Definitely, sir. I
Good.
will improve on it.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Abhishek
Hello?
sir.
Yeah.
हेलो
Yes, hello, Ravi.
Yes, we can hear you.
सर, आपकी वॉइस है ना क्लियर नहीं आ रही, आवाज आ तो रही है बट समझ में नहीं आ रहा, जैसे फंबल से आ रहे हैं बीच बीच में, जैसे स्पीकर का पता नहीं, आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही.
Okay, let me have a quick check. So,
मतलब
मानस,
मेरे
आपको आवाज आ रही है?
मतलब मेरे earphones ठीक है.
आपकी वॉइस लाउड जरूर आ रही बट क्लियर नहीं आ रही, क्लियर का इशू है.
तो फिर कल बात करते हैं अब. यार अब क्या बताऊं मैं, अब ऐसा ही है, क्या कर सकते हैं.
अभी आ रही है
हाँ.
सर. अभी आ रही है.
ये हो सकता है सर, आपका ईयरफोन का जो
Are you
माइक
sure
आपसे
mute?
दूर है इसलिए
मेरा
थोड़ा.
माइक दूर है, आए थे क्या सामने है, ये रहा माइक. हाँ.
अभी सही आ रहा है सर, अभी सही आ रहा है. अब आप ऐसे पकड़ के तो सुन करोगे.
चलो ठीक है, कोशिश करते हैं. ओके, ओवर टू द होस्ट.
ओके सर.
Thank you, Abhishek sir, for the feedback, and thank you, Manushi, for the feedback. Okay, now we'll Nishan, be ready with your speech. Till then, I can just list down some more points from the new education policy. Some more points are there are sixth standard onwards, vocational courses will be available. Okay, from 8th to 11th, students can choose their subject. All graduation courses will have major and minor also. So, for example, science student can have physical as major and music as minor also. Any combination can he can choose for the higher education. Okay, all higher education will be governed by only one authority. So now we are done with the list of the policies. Now, Nishan, are
I
you ready?
also want to add something, ma'am, that
Yeah.
I missed in my speech. That total percentage of GDP that was previously priorly 3.1% of GDP that was allotted to the education. Now, total of 6% of GDP would be allotted to the education by Government of India. That is also a major point that I missed in my speech, sir.
Thank you, Kunal, for adding up. And now it's time to listen to Nishan. Nishan, are you ready to rock? Unmute yourself and 3, 2, 1, go.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I, Nishan Singh, is going to give speech on topic pros and cons of new education system in India. Am I audible to all of you?
Very well.
Okay, sorry for. Okay, we all know that education is most powerful weapon which we can use to change the world. But first of all, I want to discuss some fact with you. Like we talk about reasoning ability. Like we all can solve reasoning ability on book. Like we all know that if some of question given to us, we all can solve very well on book. Is our reasoning ability is good? Is our practical reasoning ability is good? If our practical reasoning ability is not good, it means that we are weak in studies. Study doesn't mean to make career, it means to make life. So first of all, I come to new policy which is coming in 2020. Like my friends Kunal and ma'am, you also give all the points, but I just pick up some points which I feel that these are important for all of us. Like first of all, we all know that there is a vocational course up to from class 6. So from class 6, if vocational courses is given to any student, because that is the age which we can learn anything very easily. Because some of things which we can learn at childhood, we can't learn that thing at this age. Because if we start from childhood, then we can understand each and everything very easily. So now talk about new education system is very well because it gives light on practical knowledge of student. So education is only means that we have a practical knowledge about each and everything. So now my question is that we all know why India is underdeveloped, why India is developing, not a developed country. We all know the answer is the poor education system in India. Now we are now there is a education is a right of each citizen of India. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Okay. We all know education is a right of each and every citizen of India. There is an article in Constitution that 21 Amendment is that education is there is a free and compulsory education to all the children from 6 to 14 age group. But the thing is that we all are aware of that thing. That is education. Like if parents are not aware of that thing and they are not sending their children to school, that is a poor education. That is a poor education system in India. Education doesn't mean we are intelligent in our own subject. We are intelligent in, like I am doing engineering, I am intelligent in machine, I take full marks in machine. That is not a good education system. Education system means if we have a practical knowledge, like I complete my machine subject, I have a knowledge about motor. Who say I am engineer? If I know how to work motor, if practically I can deal with motor, that is the education system. Like new policy of education gives more light on practical life. I think that is a good for all of us, that we are more practical rather than the theoretical. We have more practical knowledge rather than the theoretical knowledge. But we are coming to pros of new education system. Let's first of all talk about. We all know that our education system is still good from other countries. Like our scientists or engineers or doctors are at high level. Like so many scientists are working in NASA from India. That means our education system is good. But we have to improve that education system. We have to develop each and every citizen of India that is a good education system in India. Because education system, when we talk about education system, means the overall citizens, all the people of India should be educated. Not educated in terms of like we have an engineer degree, we have a BA degree. That is not education. There are so many types of education. We should have practical knowledge of all about things, all of the things. Now, the pros of education system gives more practical knowledge. Like our education system exert more pressure on students. It means it increase the capability of students to do more work in less time. But as came to cons of education system, like education system exert more pressure on students. Let us talk about engineering. There are 48 subjects, and engineering is a tough. I know engineering is the toughest, in which there are so many subjects in engineering. Like in every semester, there are 6 subjects, and there are so many practicals. But our education system is not good because we have no practical knowledge. Like we all take full marks, but we have no knowledge related to their things. So this is a very good thing for all of us that Indian government includes so many things, so many policy in our education system to make the citizen of India more practical. And one thing is, again, I want to add, like after class 8, we are going to take our subject which we like we are taking non-medical, medicals. But the main thing is that there are major subjects like physics, chemistry, and math. But the minor subject is also included in that because some people means some of students are good in education, some interest to go forward in education. Like I want to do good engineering, I want to take a job as a junior engineer. That is a good. But some people are doing engineering, but they are not interested in taking job like junior engineer. They want to become a good singer. They want to become a good sportsman. That is a thing that these things should have to include in education system. That is a good point of education system that include vocational courses, that include minor subject as a music, minor subject as a sports that student can choose, so that the student which they have interested to go in their future, still they are learning in our education. So at last, I want to add something that to improve the education system, our government and society would have to work together and should have to take the feedback of students. What students want, our education should be like that. Like we all know that in engineering college, there are so many engineers. Nowadays, engineering by doing engineering is so simple that we can take admission in private college, we can done our engineering, we can complete our engineering. But what is the fun of doing engineering? That is why many of the people tell that degree is just a piece of paper. But they told us a degree is just a piece of.
Sorry, Nishan, you got muted because your speech exceeded. So you can unmute and just finish it. Okay, you can unmute and.
Okay, I want to add 1 to 2 points. Like our society and government should have to work together so that our education system should be improved for a better future. Like our society, our authority should have to deal with students that what is the requirement of students, how they want to study. If they know the interest of students, then education system can be improved. Because like 100% of students have no interest to go further in only in education branch, like engineer, in because some are interested to go in defense, some people are interested in going music. So there should be the government added so many subjects so that we are practical and we are go where we want to do. That is the education system. Due to the poor education system in India, our youth of citizens, many youth are unemployment. Like if a student is interested in singing, because they never got a chance to sing in college, they never got a chance to sing in school. That is why most of youth are unemployment. If they get chance in college, if they get chance in schools, if they get chance to do course of music, maybe he can become a good singer, because our government only work in theoretical knowledge, not a practical knowledge. So I am very happy that government adopt new policy and change with old policy, that that we have to deal more with practical knowledge, not a theoretical knowledge. So that is from my side. Thank you for listening me.
Thank you, Nishant, for the awesome speech. Abhishek sir, can we have your words on
Yeah.
Nishant's speech?
Yeah, I would love to do that. Because Nishant is like on and on and on. That's amazing. So I think I would love to hear views from Ravi. Ravi, what do you think? What was the good thing in his speech, and what do you think he should do?
सर वॉइस लेवल काफी अच्छा था और फेस एक्सप्रेशन काफी अच्छे थे निशांत सर के, और स्टार्टिंग में कंटेंट काफी स्ट्रॉन्ग था, बट थोड़ा सा आगे डायरेक्शन चेंज हो गया था, बट ओवरऑल अच्छा था सर, ओवरऑल वेरी गुड। बट एक हाँ, एक चीज मैं इसमें ऐड करना चाहूंगा कि जैसे ये बोल रहे थे कि एजुकेशन सिस्टम में थ्योरेटिकल नॉलेज, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल हम आई एम आल्सो मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर, क्या है टेक्नोलॉजी चेंज होती है बट प्रिंसिपल वही रहता है। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मैथमेटिक्स में हम फॉर्मूला वही रहता है बट सम निकालने का तरीका अलग अलग होता है, मोटर भी एक जैसी रहती है, तो प्रिंसिपल पे ही एजुकेशन चलती है। टेक्नोलॉजी चेंज होगी, टेक्नोलॉजी का नया ट्रेनिंग आता है तो वो नया ट्रेनिंग दिया जाता है। तो मैं ये नहीं कह सकता कि हमारा इंजीनियरिंग सिस्टम में थ्योरेटिकल नॉलेज की कमी है, वो सीखने वाले की के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है।
Okay, that's amazing. Thank you for that input, yes. And I think Nishant, you're a powerful speaker, and you speak with a lot of conviction. ठीक है ना, conviction के साथ बोलते हो तो अच्छा भी लगता है, ये कहीं ना वो connect होता है in that direction. ठीक है, I think that's really good, and you're speaking it out loud and everything. That's थोड़ा सा जो मेरा इम्प्रूवमेंट वाला पार्ट है, जो तुम्हें काम करना है, बेसिकली दो चीजें हैं जिससे तुम्हें फिल्म में काम करना चाहिए। वन इज जब आप अपनी चीज को पूरा करते हो ना, तो इसको नोटिस करना, इनफैक्ट आप इसका रिकॉर्डिंग भी देखना होगी, तो ना कई बार है ना आप फ्लो कर जाते हो, अब बह जाते हो और आपको नहीं पता है रुकना कैसे है। अब मतलब अब बह गए अब तो मतलब फिर वो चलता ही आता है, whatever is coming, and goes in the flow, and that is the thing. But the question is कि यार चलो ठीक है, अभी तो हम लोग we are trying to grow, and अभी I'll say that you're working on your first level, you're working on yourself, जहाँ पर तुम्हारा खुद का voice, you're trying to identify and make it a thing, and that's very nice. But my suggestion would be like थोड़ा सा इसको आपको एंडिंग देखना है कि आपको अपने आप को कैसे बताना है कि हाँ मुझे एंडिंग की तरफ जाना चाहिए। ठीक है, एज अ स्पीकर जब मैं बात करता हूँ ना, एज अ स्पीकर की जब मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, तो हमारे जो कोर है वो हमारा ऑडियंस है। ठीक है, तो हमें अपना व्यक्त करना है बहुत बढ़िया, लेकिन थोड़ा सा इस डायरेक्शन में भी जाओ कि जो ऑडियंस है उसके लिए ये गोल्ड होना चाहिए, वैल्यूएबल होना। ये हमारा सबसे बड़ा मिसकंसेप्शन होता है। आप कोई भी स्पीचेस लिखने हो, ऐसे लिखने हो, जो भी हमें सिखाया जाता है स्कूल में ना, वो बताता है कि तुम्हें क्या लगता है, तुम अपने थॉट्स बताओ, हम स्पीच कॉम्पिटिशन में करते हैं। बट कहीं ना कहीं पब्लिक स्पीकिंग इज मोर अबाउट ऑडियंस, आपकी ऑडियंस उस चीज को कैसे समझ। ठीक है, तो दैट वेज आई थिंक मैंने इनफैक्ट कुणाल को भी सेम ही एडवाइस दिया था। तो वो ये है कि अपना कंटेंट को इसको फिनिश करने के जो डायरेक्शन में है वो देखना पड़ेगा कि आपको एक टाइम फ्रेम में फिनिश करना कैसे है, क्योंकि अभी भी आप अनम्यूट हो रहे एक बार। तो आई वुड से, एंड इसमें एक और चीज था, वो ये था कि आप ना, मतलब मैंने काउंट किया था, आप 3 बार एंडिंग करते करते वापस आ गए। तो इन द एंड आई वुड लाइक टू से दिस, व्हाट डू यू नो, एंड देन यू आर लाइक दैट। मैंने कहा ये क्या कर दिया, ऐसे यू टर्न घुमाओगे ना तो फिर ऐसा कंफ्यूज हो जाते लोग।
सर एक्चुअली ये पता नहीं था कि म्यूट कब हुआ, मेरे को लगा कि पहले म्यूट हो चुका हूँ मैं। फिर वो मैंने एक बार बोल दिया, वापस मैंने, मुझे ये नहीं पता लगा कि वापस
I want to also share something, sir.
Okay, yeah, go on.
Sir, according to me, sir, your public speaking was very good, and according to me, it was totally framed. that you started with the practical knowledge. And according to me, the improvement part, I will only talk about the improvement part, that is according to me, that you have too much talked about practical knowledge, that you just more have to give one according to me, you just need to give one example to explain what is the practical knowledge that you are talking about. And also what I have perceived, that you are speaking with a very stress level, that there should be also voice modulation that should be included in your speech. And these are the two
Hmm.
points, and most stuff can be included in their speech. And that are the point that I want to that I perceive that can be put in your speech.
I think that's amazing. बाकी इसको करते हैं और भी इसको करके आते हैं. Powerful है आपकी speeches. ठीक है. Thank you, Kunal, for the thoughts, and thank you, Nishant. I think over to the host.
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
Abhishek sir, for the feedback. Thank you, Nishan. Thank you, Nishan. Now,
Thank you, ma'am.
so now I'll like to listen a speech from Abhishek sir, if
Okay,
he's
from
ready.
speeches, huh? Thank you.
So I just wanted to have that look, have that look on your face.
Ha 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 ha. Nothing has a look. I think it's okay. All right. So, good evening, guys.
Good evening, sir.
Okay.
Good evening.
कौन लोग आपने से स्कूल गए हैं? Raise your hand. Doubt है? सब लोग
I
स्कूल गए हैं, right? Okay, that's amazing. Now the thing is, थोड़ा सा एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज आई है जिसके हिसाब से जो भी आपने पढ़ा है या जैसे भी आपने पढ़ा है वो सब चेंज हो रहा है on the campus. Yes, it won't be affecting you directly, but जब आपकी बच्ची जाएंगी शायद वो एजुकेशन they will be getting into, and that is how, and that is why you should also understand how one education system which is being proposed is going to change the future of our country. Sounds interesting? So I think, to start with, everybody has talked about pros and cons about the education system, and I'm pretty sure you know these facts and these things. But I will talk more on two major aspects, which is like from an overview perspective when you're looking at it. One being the structure is changing, but not the quality. That is one of the major important aspects that one has to see. That you know, uh, it's perfectly fine that engineering colleges will have 3 years, 4 years, and all of those things. But the question is, how do we improve the quality of education? That is one of the most important. Yeah, giving choices is a very good option. You're helping the person to express him more by his choices. Now I can learn physics and music, and that's amazing. That helps me as a growing as a person. But the question is, if I'm getting a low grade music session or low grade music direction and low grade of physics, I think I'll be super confused about what is going to happen. Yeah, there'll be a direction, but I'm not pretty sure if I would love it. And possibly, second aspect, which is very important to understand here, is about how does the things work. You know, yes, like if you talk about education, it helps the citizens to become uh, skilled and improve themselves, and that's a very good thing. But if you talk about an outcome perspective, when I say outcome, how do we qualify if a engineering college is good or bad? How does a course qualify as good or bad? People have a perception about this job placement, which is one of the core important things. And do you know, there is like, when we talk about percentage, I've seen a thing which is around 75 to 80% of the people who are graduating from school, let's say schools, I'm calling about engineering schools, art schools, a lot of schools. that they are unemployable. You can't employ them because they don't know stuff. So that is one of the problem, and in a way, that is the economic center of the thing. Yeah, things will still happen, but the question is, are we doing something to improve the quality of that level? Because if you're working on that, then only employment things will be happening, and then the transformation can happen. Giving choices and giving things, that's a very good idea. The question is much bigger. Are we improving uh, the quality of education system, which can be done in multiple steps, like starting with your passionate teachers. Remember your teachers. I think if you had, how many teachers have you found who were very passionate about what they are teaching out of in your college or university? Yeah,
10%.
you have a faculty of hundreds, and there are 5 to 10 people who असल में पढ़ाना चाहते हैं, but 90 people are here because they haven't got a job. They're not passionate about it. So I think our education system requires educators who can be a part of the system and then transform people, and they'll be responsible for building quality, because students come and students go, facilities also. So I think one of the major aspects one has to understand is finding how to attract the talent, the brightest minds, and get them to work in education sector for transforming people's lives. That would be, and it's not with salaries, only salaries. You have salaries of 30, 40, 1,000, 50,000, maybe 1 lakh, but it would be with multiple things ranging from ecosystem change to, I would say, salary change, of course. And also, there's some special schemes where people are very appreciated by these people, and that is a lot of people can depend into the ecosystem. So I think these are a couple of thoughts that I have on top of my head on this particular topic. Baki, I think let's see how it works. And if we get a chance, I think we also should chip in either voluntarily or also be professionally to guide and something or something. So happy learning and all the very best. Thanks for it.
Thank you, Abhishek sir.
Okay. So, कैसा था?
Okay.
बढ़िया थी सर, अच्छी थी वो.
Very nice.
There's good points and improvements. But after we discuss it,
आवाज थोड़ा सा अभी
oh, okay. Anybody wish to share good points, improvement points? Nishan?
So I want to add one thing that can I add a
Yeah, go on.
then I want, after that I want to take feedback from you people that are you agree with this thing that it should be like that or not. Okay, my according to me I want to add one thing like we all know that game of kabaddi, we all know kabaddi game, and we all people know that all, if I know all the rules like how to do super tackle, how to give raid, I know each and every rule and I know each and every trick how to play kabaddi in best. Like from YouTube I gain all the knowledge. But क्या मैं ग्राउंड में कबड्डी खेलता हुआ उतना प्रैक्टिकल हो पाऊंगा कि मैं ग्राउंड में ऐसी कबड्डी खेल सकता हूँ जो मुझे जितना कुछ आता है उस कबड्डी? नहीं खेल सर, अकॉर्डिंग टू मी मैं नहीं खेल पाऊंगा. That is a knowledge. Like my friend say that principle same रहेगा. I'm not saying that principle same रहने का मतलब सर ऐसे कि अब हमने इंजीनियरिंग की है, अगर हम कंपनी में बैठे हैं तो क्या हम 50 बंदे सिलेक्ट बैठे हैं, 50 बंदे सिलेक्ट होने का कारण क्या है? कंपनी किस बंदे को लेगी जिसको नॉलेज जिसको सिर्फ ये पता है कि मोटर कैसे काम करती, वो ये देखेगी कि प्रैक्टिकल
what is important, that is practical knowledge.
I think
सर यही ऐड करना चाहता था मैं.
They are selected.
Thank you, Nishan. If anyone is speaking or is it background? Kunal, are you speaking? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now it
Sorry,
is
ma'am.
clear.
Sorry,
If you
ma'am.
want to
Sorry, ma'am.
say, okay,
No,
okay.
no, no, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Nishant, for adding up a little more to it. And we are I agree to you that practical knowledge is required. And now we are towards ending of the session. So before that, I'll just share some of my views on the new education system. So education,
Okay, ma'am.
pros and okay, pros and cons of education system. For this, we have to understand what and how is this education system works. So why do you think this education system was coined up? Why was introduced in the society? Anyone can just speak up why this education system was
Yes, ma'am.
introduced?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am, to give
yeah.
latest knowledge to students.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So
to give latest knowledge and yes, only then.
okay. Thank you, Nishan, for your views. So as
Thank you, ma'am.
we can just think, see, in the ancient times when this education system was introduced, there was in India, like there was a guru system, guru shishya system, and there was one person, one guru, and they were shish. They were learning from him. They were just not learning the art of something, just not for the living, but how to be a better person also. This also the students were learning from their guru. So this way this education system was introduced. I would not say that was the perfect way of doing the things, but nowadays you can just imagine uh, the uh, the focus has shifted just to earn good money. So there are colleges who are just sharing the advertisements that you'll get this much package and this much package. The sole thing is now just to earn money, but to develop as a person is now lost. So education system was introduced, was brought up to make civilized people, to make a society civilized. So for now, when we are talking in this new era, because of lot of population, the older system of Guru Shish cannot be introduced now. I agree, but I would say that it should be promoted more and more. For this, we would need a lot of teachers uh, that would give education, that would be in touch with the student in person. That helps a lot. If you remember your teacher, which who loved one of your favorite teacher, and how much that teacher, if she has given some personal attention to you, has improved you. You remember that person to the lifelong. Okay, so like this we need to improve. You need to have more and more teachers and more systems where a lot of people can come together and learn together, and not just learning for money. So now the new system has coined up a new system that it is not 10 plus 2, but it is 5 plus 3 plus 3. So the concentration there was just for 2 years, and now it is distributed into multiple years. So in the beginning of the session, I just gave a poem, and that poem was giving the situation of a person who has just got the score of the class 12. So you can just understand the pressure that was created for the just for the 2 years to the students, and there are so many news of suicides and all. Now this can be distributed to 3 to 4 years, and now that tense situation of that that can be distributed to several years, and it will be not so harsh. Okay, and one more thing I want to add here. Have you ever realized in the school there were the students, the science students and the commerce students and the art students? Have you ever realized the science students were having some a high position in the school? They were looked at like teachers were giving some preference to them. Have you ever realized that? So all of you, I think, so are from science
Exactly.
background, that you will
Yes,
not
yes.
realize it. Okay.
Agree.
Yeah. So now this new system will help to eliminate this thing. So I believe, I'm really
Yes.
hoping that this new system will promote and will evolve students and the citizens of India to be a better person. Okay, and that's all from me. Thank you. Okay, can you give me feedback?
Wonderful, ma'am.
Yeah, sure.
Wonderful speech.
I think it was a well balanced speech in terms of content coming out. I would want to see some voice modulation, somewhere. Sometimes you just take it across, because that is something that I've seen in a couple of your speeches. But I would want to see some voice modulation out here, some softness somewhere, maybe some pauses and something. That is the point of improvement. And overall, I think, yeah, the ending you did a very nice ending with the smile, and you also related us to the examples. I think that was good. But I think थोड़ा सा इसमें ना content perspective से अगर मैं बात करूँ तो structuring थोड़ा सा और भी करना चाहिए था, in terms जैसे the example that you gave in a conclusion. Conclusion should be stronger. Should be something which makes us think, which makes us take action. Okay. So try to kind of come up with something which is like asking us to do something. I don't know. It could be something as simple as that. Like education system is there and it's improving, and it needs our support. So you know, go call your college and see if you can deliver a talk. If you can help people improve. Because if you give a talk, then there will be 100 people who will be attending it, and if some people got life changed, then they can also come back to the college, and this can be a very good something like that. That could be interesting to other people.
So I thought that my speech is going a bit longer, so I cut down some of the things. Is that was long? I think so. I repeated some of the things. Yeah, so
that is the point. Everything that you speak has to have value. That if it is not having, then cut it out.
Yeah.
So
I think I repeated some of the things that made it long. Yeah.
Okay. And apart from this, I think Nishant, क्या हुआ? लाइट चली गई वहाँ पे?
सर बिल्कुल सर, आज तो इन्वर्टर भी खाली हो डेड हो गया सर।
हाँ बिल्कुल, लाइट की एंडिंग हो गई तुम्हारे में। चलो
एक्चुअली तो इस यहाँ हम रहते तो काफी प्रॉब्लम्स चली पड़ती है।
हाँ चलो सही है। आई थिंक दिस इज द ग्रेट, है ना? ये आपका कंसिस्टेंसी, और कहीं ना कहीं आप आगे जाके ना अपनी जब स्टोरी जैसे बोलते हैं ना, वो जो मोटिवेशन स्पीचर्स सुनाते हैं या फिर कहीं भी बताते हैं ना, तो ऐसा तो वो कहते हैं कि मैं मोमबत्ती के नीचे बैठ के पढ़ रहा था। तो यू कैन ऑल्सो से कि मैं पता है ये स्पीच मैं आज बोल रहा हूँ, इसके लिए मैंने ना ऐसे मोमबत्ती में बैठ के स्पीच सेशंस किए हैं। ठीक है, so we are giving you you don't have to lie, you have to just tell them the truth. Okay, I think that's amazing. Great time putting across. I think the host can end the session. I really love the session.
Thank you, sir.
I can see a lot of improvement in you guys. I think that's very good.
Thank you.
Sir, actually there is too much interaction with all of us.
Yes.
Yeah.
That is the core. हम इसीलिए इस community को build कर रहे हैं।
Yes, sir.
People interaction से हम सब अपनी journey कर पाएं, grow कर पाएं।
Okay.
Okay, over to
then thank you Abhishek sir, thank you Nishant, thank you everybody for making this session a real success, and I really enjoyed this session and looking forward for some more very beautiful sessions and very beautiful speeches from you all. Let's happy learning, let's go on, and thank you, bye, tata.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye bye.